What's going on YouTube? It's my 2020 4th of July stash. Got some good stuff. Got the daytime firework color walls. Got some nice pop to it. Some really good ones back there. The zippers. Got some 5-inch cans, Illuminati. I have not tried those yet. A bunch of frostbites. I'm gonna fuse together and shoot those all off at once. Some nice artillery shells. Giant crackle balls, small crackle balls. These ground blooms report. If you find these like flashing fireworks, definitely pick those up. It's got a good report on it. Better than these ones here. Some 1-inch mini shells. Just all around fun for this 4th. Bunch of Roman candles. I got a rack I had made. I'm going to put all those together and fuse them together and kind of make a fan Roman candle rack. Bunch of fountains. A parachute cake back there. Jumping jelly beans, unique fountain. If you haven't seen that, look that up. Some rockets. Nice little assortment. Some lightning wheels. Spent way too much this year, but hey, gotta do it for the kids, right? Alright, later. I also forgot I had this. Got some twister fountains, some small one-shots, some whistling chasers, just some small stuff for the kids. Nothing too fancy. But that, I'm waiting on that and that right there. 5-inch cans. Shelton Fireworks best canister shell, so they say. We'll find out and I'll show you later. Alright, later.